sweetie.
It's always a good thing to have a dog bark when you pull up, though.
Oh, yeah.
And then be sweet. Lets you know somebody's here.
Absolutely. He's always done that, like, from the very get-go.
Hello? What's up, Bobby? Could you get... Okay. Okay. That's just what came with it. Obviously, it's a super short one for some reason. Okay. I mean, it doesn't have to be the same head. As long as it fits in there and machine threads in, it should just push pop, honestly, as long as you can find something that has the same threads as it, so. Yeah, I've been trying to sell it to some people. I don't know if it needs a new alternator or won't start right now, and I usually have to charge it for like 30, 45 minutes to get it to start, but then it runs fine. I could probably have you look at it and see if it might just be a battery, I'm not sure, but I might have you take a look at that and see. I don't really know how much it's worth though, that's the only problem.
There we are. Alrighty.
Can you actually see?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, you can see straight into the big old tank out there. Yeah, there's your tank.
Oh my god.
Okay. And your pipe looks actually fantastic.
Good.
But I know there's the rust on the sides though.
Yeah, and the tank. We get on recording, you want me to pull it back?
You'd have to start it.
Yeah.
What?
Get on the recording? Or do you want me to pull it back?
No, you're good.